वेट बेटा, अवनी बेटा अपनी तरफ से भी अनम्यूट करो। अवनी, गुरशेष, गुरशेष अपनी तरफ से अनम्यूट करो। गुरशेष, आर यू लिसनिंग टू मी? ओके,
यस मैम।
where is city of Chennai located? Where is city of Chennai located?
Coromandel. Ma'am, Coromandel Coast.
Coromandel Coast. Okay, good. Coast. अंकिता, अंकिता अपनी तरफ से भी अनम्यूट करिए। अंकिता, आर यू लिसनिंग टू मी? शी इज नॉट डूइंग। आराध्या जमवाल, आराध्या जमवाल अपनी तरफ से भी अनम्यूट करिए बेटा।
Yes ma'am.
Okay, give me the answer. Tell me the main language of Chennai.
Ma'am, Tamil.
Tamil. Okay.
मैम मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछा।
अमानिया अनम्यूट करिए अपनी तरफ से। अमानिया, आई एम आस्किंग यू। बेटा करिए, मैंने यहाँ से किया आपको अनम्यूट।
मैम बोला तमिल कौन सी लैंग्वेज होती है उसकी, क्या कहते हैं वो जिसकी पूछी मैंने।
No talking during class. There should be no. I don't want to listen any sound. Okay. कात्यानी, कात्यानी अपनी तरफ से भी अनम्यूट करिए बेटा। आराध्या राजन आप करिए। आप बेटा अपनी तरफ से अनम्यूट करिए। बेटा आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। विदुषी, विदुषी गिव मी द आंसर।
मैम व्हिच क्वेश्चन?
What do women wear in Chennai?
साड़ीज।
What is saris? Okay. Okay. Shivya, Shivya, give me the answer. Yes. My question is, what do men wear in Chennai?
Men wear dhoti and shirt.
Dhoti and shirt. Okay. Nipur, main festival of Chennai?
Ma'am, Pongal.
Pongal. Very good. Very good. Rehana, longest
Yes,
beach
ma'am.
in the world. Longest beach in the world.
Ma'am, longest beach in the world.
Yes.
Marina Beach.
Yes. Good. Good. Now, our today's topic is Thiruvananthapuram. Okay? Thiruvananthapuram. Now, Thiruvananthapuram, earlier known as Trivandrum. Take your pencils. Underline. What was its earlier name? Trivandrum. Is the capital of Kerala. It is the capital of Kerala. Underline, capital of Kerala. Thiruvananthapuram means the abode of Lord Anantha. Underline. It means the abode of Lord Anantha. Location. The western coastal plain is a narrow chip of plain land between the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Underline Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. It is divided into the Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and Malabar coast. Underline. And where is Thiruvananthapuram located? It is located on the Malabar coast. It is located on the Malabar coast. Now look at this picture in your book. One picture is given. You have read about Chennai. You can write here answer. Identify the picture. What are they showing in the picture? It is which beach? Marina Beach. You will write in your book Marina Beach, and where is it located? Chennai. Right? I am giving you time, right? Marina Beach and Chennai. Okay. Now we will read about the climate of Thiruvananthapuram. This city is neither very hot nor very cold throughout the year. It has a pleasant climate. It receives heavy rainfall. This city, ये सिटी ना ज्यादा ठंडी है ना ज्यादा गर्म रहती पूरा साल. यहाँ का क्लाइमेट बहुत प्लेजेंट रहता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे हेवी रेनफॉल होता है. लैंग्वेज, ड्रेस एंड फूड. Malayalam is the main language of this state. Underline. Which is the main language? Malayalam. And people also speak other languages. Which language they speak? People also speak Hindi, English and Tamil. Hindi, English and Tamil. Malayalam is the main language and they also speak Hindi, English and Tamil. Nerihathu, white sari with a golden border. Look at this picture. Women have worn white saris with golden border. With a golden border. Is worn by the women of Kerala. Men wear shirts over lungi or dhoti. Now look at screen. Men have worn lungi or dhoti with white shirt, which is known as mundu. What do you call this dress? Mundu. Underline. Underline this also. Nerihathu, white sari. Okay. Next is puttu, steam cake. Underline. Steam cake made from rice flour. They prepare puttu, which they made with the people make with the rice flour. आटे का चावल के साथ उसका चावल के आटे के साथ केक बनाते हैं. Steamed cake. Rasam, appam, mean means fish fry, fish curry. Mean means fish curry. Are some popular delicacies of Kerala. Underline all this. Puttu, rasam, appam, mean, fish curry. Mean means fish curry. The food. Look at this picture. The food is usually served on banana leaves. Food कहाँ पे सर्व होता है वो? कैसे किसमें सर्व करते हैं? मोस्टली बनाना लीव्स पे. बनाना का बड़ा सा पत्ता होता है, लीफ होता है, उस पे ये खाना सर्व करते हैं. Now we will revise again. This one, puttu. What is the meaning of puttu? Steamed cake made from rice flour. Rasam, appam, mean, fish curry are some popular delicacies of Kerala. Food is usually served on banana leaves here. Now look at this picture. They have shown the Kovalam beach. Festival celebration. Onam is the main festival of the city. Main festival of the city is Onam. Underline. It is harvest festival. Underline. Look at this picture. They are celebrating Onam festival. Boat races are organized on this festival. Onam is the main festival. It is a rice festival. Boat races are organized on this festival. Places of interest. Some popular tourist spots of Thiruvananthapuram are Kovalam Beach, and Gandhi Park. Kovalam Beach and Gandhi Park. These are the tourist spots of Thiruvananthapuram. Now, okay, I will ask some questions. Everybody will give me answer. People of Chennai use which flour to make colorful designs? Yadvi, give me the answer. Yadvi, give me the answer. Ojasvi?
Ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am?
Yadvi, give me the
मैंने
answer.
अभी क्लास ज्वाइन की है.
बेटा ये हमने कल पढ़ा था, मैं कल का आंसर पूछ रही हूँ. ओके ओके. Barkha, you give me the answer. Very good. Some girls have written rice flour. Very good. Very good. Now, everybody will listen carefully. Ananya Sharma, tell me the name of the capital of Kerala. Ananya, बेटा अपनी तरफ से भी. Capital of Kerala.
Ma'am, Thiruvananthapuram.
Yes, good. Avni, give me the answer. What is the meaning of Thiruvananthapuram? Meaning of Thiruvananthapuram.
Ma'am.
Come on. Meaning of Thiruvananthapuram. Okay. Ashia, you give me the answer. Aradhya Rajan, give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of Thiruvananthapuram? Okay, Ashwik, you give me the answer. Ashwik?
Ma'am, the abode of Lord Anantha.
The abode of
Lord
Anantha. The abode of Lord Anantha. Okay. Where is Thiruvananthapuram is located? On which coast? Ahana, give me the answer. बेटा अपनी तरफ से भी अनम्यूट करिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Thiruvananthapuram located? On which coast? कोस्ट का नाम क्या है? मालाबार कोस्ट. मालाबार. यस,
मैम
मालाबार कोस्ट.
मालाबार कोस्ट.
यस. व्युष्टि, व्युष्टि अनम्यूट करिए अपनी तरफ से. लैंग्वेज ऑफ थिरुवंतपुरम. टेल मी द मेन लैंग्वेज. व्युष्टि.
is eaten by the people of Delhi.
टेंजिल, गिव मी द आंसर. टेंजिल अनम्यूट करिए अपनी तरफ से भी. टेंजिल, आर यू लिसनिंग? बेटा अपनी तरफ से भी अनम्यूट करिए.
Yes, ma'am.
टेल मी मेन लैंग्वेज ऑफ स्टेट. मेन
Ma'am,
लैंग्वेज ऑफ तिरुवनंतपुरम.
Tamil.
हाँ, यस,
Tamil.
नो.
Ma'am, of which
Sorry.
state?
मेन लैंग्वेज ऑफ तिरुवनंतपुरम. मलयालम. Malayalam is the main language of the state. Capital of state, capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. I am language of state is Malayalam. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Malayalam is the main language of the state.
State.
Shivya, what do women of Kerala wear?
Women of Kerala wear sarees.
Yes, with a golden border.
With
Okay.
the golden border.
Pratna, give me the answer. My question is, what do men wear? What do men wear?
And kurta. Ma'am, dhoti
Yes.
and kurta.
Men wear shirts over lungi or dhoti, which is known as mundu. Okay. Riddhima, give me the answer. Famous dishes of Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala. Famous dishes of Kerala. Prachi, you give me the answer.
Rajma or dhoti. Means
Famous dishes: puttu, steamed cake made from rice flour, rasam, appam and mean. Okay. Okay, now we will do exercises. Yesterday we have done only 3 true or false. Now number 4 we will do. Number 4 we will do. Thiruvananthapuram receives heavy rainfall. Write in chat box. Number 4. True. It is true. Last is the Kovalam beach is in Chennai. False. It is in Thiruvananthapuram. Now come on page number 229. 229. Choose the correct options. The sea beach in Chennai is called dash beach. What do we call? Marina. Take Marina. Number 2, dash is the state language of Chennai. Yes, well done, girls. Good. Tamil. Tamil. Good. Number 3, dash is eaten by the people of Chennai. Appam, idli or mean. Yes, good. Well done. Idli. Yes. Yes. Appam is the dish of Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Okay. Right? Idli. Put tick on idli. Next is you will find the Fort St. George in dash. Delhi, Chennai or Bangalore. Good, Ananya, Vidushi. Well done. It is in Chennai. Good. Chennai. Last is in Thiruvananthapuram. Food items are usually served on dash leaf. Which leaf? Banana. Well done, Katyani. Pratna, Vidushi, Midakshi. Well done. Good. Myra, Anita. Banana. Last one is banana. Okay. Next page. Match the following. Chennai. First is Chennai. Write its correct answer from column B. Vidushi, good. Mimansha, well done. Well done. First is Tamil. Tamil. Pongal. Pongal is, yes, harvest festival. Well done. Good. Ananya, Mitakshi, well done. Katyani, good. Harvest festival. Number 2 is harvest festival. Number 3 is Kovalam. What is this? Beach. Good. Prachi, good. Ekam. Beach. Well done. Number 4, Malabar coast. Kovalam. What is Malabar coast? Number 4. Where is it? Thiruvananthapuram. Well done. Good. Thiruvananthapuram. Good. Good. Now we have finished this exercise. Sorry, one is left. Nerihathu. What is this? Last is sari. Last is, answer is sari. Good. Well done. Shivya, Pratna, Tenzil, good. Vidushi, good. Okay. Now last exercise. We will start last exercise. Name the following. The traditional dress of men in Chennai. Dhoti and shirt. Veshti and dhoti is the same meaning. We will write dhoti and shirt. Write in your book also. Okay. Dhoti and shirt. Number one we have done. Number two, the language spoken in Thiruvananthapuram. Which language? Malayalam. Well done, girls. Ananya, Vidushi. Well done. Faiza. Number two is Malayalam. Okay. Next is a harvest festival of Chennai. Pongal. Good. All are writing. Nipur, Anhita, Gania, Prachi. Good. Well done. Keep it up. Shivya, Pratna. Okay. And last is a famous beach in Thiruvananthapuram. Write in chat box. Well done. Kovalam Beach. Kovalam Beach. Okay. Today we have finished all the exercises and question answers. Where is the city of Chennai located? Right answer. Where is the city of Chennai located? In the beginning, I asked you. Right answer in chat box. Where is the city of Chennai located? कहाँ कौन से कोस्ट पे है? We have to write the name of the coast. Write the name of the coast. Yes, Coromandel coast. Coromandel coast. Good. Coromandel coast. Next question is write. Second question you will do yourself. Okay. Number 3. Name some famous food items. You will write in chat box only 2 items. Any items you can write. Any 2 items. Question. I am asking question number 3. Famous food item. Rasam, sambar. Good. Well done. Those are writing. Good. Well done. Good. Well done. Yes. Rasam, sambar, vada. You can write any 2. Okay. Next is. My next question is, what does the word Thiruvananthapuram mean? What is the meaning of Thiruvananthapuram? Write answer in chat box. I am asking meaning of Thiruvananthapuram. Well done, Myra. Yes. Yes. Its answer is the abode of Lord Anantha. The abode of Lord Anantha. Okay. Now, today I will send question answers of this chapter and exercises you have done in the class. But I will send you will cross check your answers. you have done right or wrong, and I will send all the question answers. And read full chapter thoroughly. Okay. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.